Hey guys, Connor Marr with MarineMax Lake Wylie, 803-831-2101. Today we're going to be taking a look at a 2021 Sea Ray 280 SLX. Let's go ahead and take a quick walk around of the exterior and interior. So starting off, we have the Arctic white hull color matched up with this very sleek Horizon gel coat stripe. The thing that I find really nice about this stripe, it's actually integrated into the gel coat rather than being an external sticker. So it's going to have a lot of longevity. Walking back to our stern here, I want to point out this Ride technology that is featured on the SLX models. That helps with quieting down that 350 horsepower 6.2 motor we have inside, just making your ride very comfortable and very quiet. Let's go ahead and walk into the interior here. Look at some nice features on this back lounger. Adjustable backrests makes for a very comfortable day over at the sandbar. Whether you have a full group sitting back here, you can accommodate that and just make it the most comfortable platform possible. And of course, stainless steel cup holders all the way around. So as we walk through our sidewalk through here, notice we have a side boarding step, very sturdy, very durable, and just a great feature to help you out with boarding on the boat. Of course, we have a nice wraparound seating here, accommodate a lot of passengers very comfortably on here. Also having our dual captain's chair set up. Now, with a big boat like this, you get a very roomy head area that also has the vacuum flush installed here, making a full day's boating a lot easier and more functional. Another thing to notice as we're walking through here, we have this snap-in sea deck to add to that really premium feel and just that warm feeling here in the boat. All right, guys, my name is Connor Marr with MarineMax Lake Wylie. If you guys would like to hear any additional information or schedule a demo, please contact us at 803-831-2101. Thank you guys so much for watching.